ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Dose process. Dose process. Yesterday we are discussed about Dose process, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, aromatic SN2 reaction through carbanion intermediate. Chlorobenzene on treatment with aqueous sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere acidified with H plus, it gives phenol OH minus. Cl minus is replaced by OH minus. This reaction is best example for aromatic SN2 reaction. Already yesterday we have discussed about a Dose process, a chlorobenzene with aqueous sodium hydroxide to form phenol formation. It is a aromatic SN2 reaction, aromatic SN2 reaction through carbanion intermediate, through carbanion intermediate. Aromatic SN2 reaction, carbanion intermediate. Now in this reaction, if we are introducing electron withdrawing groups, okay, introducing electron withdrawing groups like NO2 nitro electron withdrawing groups, introducing electron withdrawing groups like NO2, your nucleophilic substitution reaction increases. Nucleophilic substitution reaction increases. That means your electron withdrawing groups increases. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction means reactivity increases. Okay, electron withdrawing groups increases, reactivity increases. Okay, this is Dose process. That means here electron withdrawing groups are present on aryl halide. Nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place through carbanion intermediate, anion intermediate. Okay, you must remember the students here aryl halides which are having electron withdrawing groups. Nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place through carbanion intermediate, carbanion mechanism. But these aryl halides, when aryl halides are having electron donating groups, okay, here important one is when aryl halides having electron donating groups, EDG, electron donating groups, when aryl halides having electron donating groups, reaction mechanism takes place. Reaction mechanism takes place through benzene mechanism. benzene mechanism. This is very, very important one. If electron withdrawing groups are present, mechanism takes place through carbanion. If electron donating groups are present, mechanism, nucleophilic substitution reaction or mechanism through benzene mechanism. Benzene mechanism. Electron donating groups are present on the aryl halides. Mechanism through benzene mechanism. If aryl halides are having electron withdrawing groups like NO2, mechanism takes place through carbanion mechanism. This is very, very important one. Once again repeat the sentence. When aryl halides are having electron withdrawing groups, reaction mechanism takes place through carbanion. If aryl halides are having electron donating groups like methyl group or ethyl group, electron donating groups are present, mechanism takes place through benzene mechanism. Right, now benzene mechanism, we are discussing about benzene mechanism. Benzene mechanism. Benzene mechanism. Here this is chlorine double bond double bond. It is aryl halide. On this aryl halide, methyl group is present. CH3 methyl group. Okay, now this methyl group is electron donating group, EDG, electron donating group. On this aryl halide molecule, electron donating group is present. Electron donating group is present. Mechanism takes place through benzene mechanism. Okay, now it is on treatment with NaNH2 sodamine. What happened here? These two electrons are shifted between the carbon and carbon, removal of chloride ion. As a result, it leads to the formation of benzene. This is benzene mechanism, CH3. Okay, benzene, sodium plus chlorine, sodium chloride, and NH2 plus hydrogen, NH3, minus sodium chloride and minus NH3, ammonia. This is called as benzene mechanism. Now this benzene on treatment with nucleophile NH2 means NH3, NH3, H plus NH2 minus, ammonia, it is treated with ammonia. Then what happened here? NH2 group, it is the benzene mechanism. So here carbon-carbon triple bond, C triple bond means ion. This NH2 nucleophile is attached at either it ortho position or this NH2 nucleophile is attached at either it is meta position. If this NH2 group is attached at ortho position, we are getting a double bond, CH3 group. NH2 group attached to ortho position and H plus attached to meta. Now the compound is orthotolidine formation. If this NH2 group is attacks at meta position, we are getting metatolidine, double bond. Here CH3 NH2 group. This is called as metatolidine. Okay, if NH2 nucleophile is attacks at meta place or if it is attacks at ortho position, orthotolidine formation, metatolidine formation. Okay, this is called as benzyne mechanism or it is benzyne intermediate. It is a benzyne intermediate. Okay, once again, aryl halide with electron donating group on treatment with sodamine, benzyne intermediate formation takes place. On this benzyne intermediate, this nucleophile is attacks at ortho position or meta position. If it is attacks at ortho position, we are getting orthotolidine. If it is attacks at meta position, we are getting metatolidine. And one more example. Here this is chlorine, means aryl halide, double bond, aryl halide with CH3, metachlorotoluene. The CH3 group is also electron donating group, EDG, electron donating group. Now it is on treatment with sodamine, NaNH2. What happened? Dehydrohalogenation. Here one possibility is there, para hydrogen with chlorine, or here this hydrogen, ortho hydrogen is also removed with chlorine. So two possibilities are there. If ortho hydrogen combines with chlorine, benzyne intermediate formation between second and third carbon. If para hydrogen is removed, your benzyne position at third and fourth position. So therefore, two intermediates are obtained in this reaction. Here that is here C double bond, double bond. Here CH3. Okay. Or and one more possibility, chlorine hydrogen means at this position, third position, fourth position is also benzyne. A third and fourth position is also benzyne mechanism. Now here it is triple bond. Okay, these two are benzyne intermediates. Now for this benzyne intermediates, by adding nucleophile like ammonia, H plus NH2 minus. So how many possibilities are there in this one? If benzyne is possible at second and third position, we are getting orthotolidine and metatolidine. So that means here this position is useful for substitution and it is also useful for substitution. Now in this intermediate, benzyne intermediate, meta and also para. Okay, this is ortho position, it is the meta position. Now this is meta position, here it is para position. So how many possibilities are there? One ortho, here meta, both are same, and para. So total 3 compounds are obtained in this reaction. So one is at ortho position, amino group is attached, this is orthotolidine, plus at meta position is also amino group is attacks. So here CH3 NH2 metatolidine, and one more possibility is also there, this amino group is attacks at para position, therefore we are getting here one more product, that is paratolidine. Okay, orthotolidine, it is metatolidine, and this one is paratolidine. So three compounds are obtained in this reaction. Okay students, this is the benzene mechanism. For example, if you take one more example, if you take parachlorotoluene, okay, in this case what happened here? Here hydrogen and HCl removed, hydrogen and HCl, removal of HCl. Here two benzenes are possible, two benzenes. Here one is here triple bond, double bond, double bond, CH3. Here one more benzene, double bond, here CH3. So now the sites available, meta, here also meta place, both are same, and here para, this is para. So meta and para compounds are obtained if methyl group is attacks at para position. Okay, right now once again, donating groups are present, nucleophilic substitution takes place through benzene intermediate. At this benzene, amino groups is attacks at ortho position, H plus attacks at beta position, we are getting orthotolidine. If this NH2 group is attacks at meta position, H plus is attached to ortho position. So the difference is, in Dow's process, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place via carbanion intermediate. If electron donating group is present on the aryl halide, mechanism takes place through benzene mechanism. Okay, these are the main differences between Dow's process and benzene mechanism. Okay, Dow's process is carried out through anionic intermediate. Benzene mechanism, electron donating groups are present, reaction mechanism takes place through benzene intermediate. Next concept is electrophilic substitution reactions. 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 Right, now here this is aromatic system, benzene. This aromatic system possesses one substitution. Here this substitution may be a electron donating group, or this substitution may be a electron withdrawing group. Okay, here substitutions are two types. If it is having electron donating group or electron withdrawing group. Okay, electron donating group, or it is also called as electron releasing electron donating group or electron releasing groups. An electron withdrawing group, or it is also called as electron accepting groups. Electron accepting groups. Electron withdrawing groups, electron donating groups, electron releasing groups, or electron accepting groups. If electron donating groups are present on the aromatic system, electrophilic substitution reactions, EPS, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at ortho and para positions. Electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at ortho and para positions. Now, if electron withdrawing groups are present, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at meta position. Electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position. Okay. Now, on this substituted benzene, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First and sixth positions are ortho positions. 1 and 6. 2 and 6. 2 and sixth positions are ortho, and fourth position is considered as para. Fourth position para. Your third and fifth positions are meta positions. Third and fifth positions are meta positions. Okay, this is very, very important for electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, on aromatic system, here substitutions are present. These substitutions are classified into two categories. One is electron donating, another one is electron withdrawing. If the substitution is electron withdrawing, electrophilic substitution reactions preferably takes place at meta position. Meta position means third and fifth position. If the substitution is electron donating group, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at ortho and para positions. Ortho means second and sixth position, para means fourth position. So, we can identify the substitution, type of substitution. If the substitution is donating, you must write the electrophilic substitution product at ortho and para. If the substitution is electron withdrawing group, electrophile preferentially attacks at meta position. So, therefore, you have to write the third and fifth positions. Okay. Some electron donating groups or releasing groups are, here chlorine is electron donating group, alcohol OH group electron donating group, amine it is also electron donating group, NHR secondary amine electron donating group, COR electron donating group, NHCOR electron donating group, alkoxy group electron donating group, etc. etc. All these groups are present on the aromatic system. They act as electron releasing groups. Okay, these electron releasing groups are also acts as ring activators. Okay, activating groups. Okay, these are also called as ring activating groups. Activators. Now here, electron withdrawing groups or electron acceptors are, cyanide is the electron acceptor, sulfonic acid SO3H is also electron acceptor, aldehyde electron acceptor, ketone electron acceptor, carboxylic acid electron withdrawing, acid chloride electron withdrawing, here etc. These are electron withdrawing groups. If these groups are present on the benzene ring, electrophile, any electrophile, that electrophile is attacks at meta position, third and fifth position. If these groups are present on the benzene ring, electrophile is preferentially attacks at ortho and para. Means ortho is second and sixth position, either second or sixth, and para means fourth position. Very simple. In entire organic chemistry, we can easily identify the electrophilic substituted products. If these groups are present, electrophile attacks at meta. If these groups are present, electrophile attacks at ortho and para. Now in our topic, here substitution is chlorine. What is the name of the product? Here substitution, it is the benzene ring. Okay. In this benzene ring, chlorine is substitution. It is chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene, chlorine acts as electron donating group. So electron donating group chlorine, therefore electrophilic substitution means electrophilic substitutions are already you know in first year benzene chapter. Electrophilic substitution reactions are benzene nitration, benzene sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts methylation, Friedel-Crafts ethylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts benzylation. All these are electrophilic substitution reactions. So here chlorine, benzene, chlorobenzene, in this aromatic system, chlorine acts as a electron donating group. So electron donating group is present on the benzene ring, therefore electrophilic substitution. For example, if you take nitration, okay, it is on treatment with nitration, means NO2 plus electrophile. What happened? Chlorine is electron donating group, electrophile attacks. This electrophile is preferentially attacks at ortho position and para position. Therefore, electrophile is attacks at ortho position. Therefore, we are getting ortho nitrochlorobenzene. If this electrophile is attacks at para position, and one more product is obtained, that is para nitrochlorobenzene. Okay, very simple method. Chlorine is electron donating group. Therefore, any electrophile which is preferentially attacks at ortho position and para position. So these electrophiles are attacks at ortho and para. Therefore, there are ortho nitrochlorobenzene, para nitrochlorobenzene. And some examples are there. Based on this, we can easily identify the electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions on chlorobenzene. Electrophilic substitution reactions EPS, electrophilic substitution reactions on chlorobenzene, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts methylation, Friedel-Crafts ethylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, and Friedel-Crafts benzylation. Okay, all these are best example for electrophilic substitution reactions. nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts methylation, Friedel-Crafts ethylation, and Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts benzylation. Right now, first one is nitration reaction. Nitration. Okay, chlorobenzene Cl. This chlorobenzene on treatment with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. This chlorobenzene on treatment with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. From this mixture, electrophile is NO2 plus, nitronium ion electrophile. This nitronium ion electrophile is attacks at either ortho position or para position because of chlorine is a electron donating group. Electron donating group is present on the benzene ring. This electrophile is attacks at ortho position or para position. If it is attacks at ortho position, their product formation is chlorine, here NO2. So name is orthonitro-chlorobenzene. Okay, orthonitro-chlorobenzene. Plus, if nitronium ion electrophile is attacks at para position, here NO2 attacks at para. Therefore, it is called as para-nitrochlorobenzene. Para-nitrochlorobenzene. Okay, once again, chlorobenzene on treatment with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at ortho position and para position. So therefore, this electrophile is attacks at ortho position, orthonitro-chlorobenzene. If it is attacks at para position, para-nitrochlorobenzene is obtained. Okay, this is the best example for nitration reaction. In this, electrophile is NO2 plus electrophile. Okay students, already you know the mechanism. This reaction mechanism is carried out in 3 steps. First step is formation of electrophile. Second step is formation of sigma complex intermediate or uranium ion intermediate. Third step is removal of proton or removal of electron. Okay, already this reaction mechanism is completed in first year benzene chapter. So therefore, no need to write the mechanism, just you have to write the formation of electrophile. Okay, here it is takes place in 3 steps mechanism. First step is formation of electrophile, and second one is formation of sigma complex intermediate, or uranium ion intermediate, sigma complex intermediate or uranium ion intermediate. And third step is removal of proton, or electrophile, Okay, all the electrophilic substitution reactions on chlorobenzene is carried out in 3 steps. First step is formation of electrophile. Second step is formation of sigma complex intermediate or uranium ion intermediate. Third step is removal of proton or removal of electrophile. Formation of electrophile. for all the electrophilic substitution reactions, all these electrophilic substitution reactions, you have to write only just formation of electrophile. Okay, formation of electrophile from this mixture is formation of electrophile, formation of electrophile, concentrated HNO3 reacts with H2SO4. So, concentrated HNO3, HONO2, this is nitric acid HNO3. It is treated with H2SO4, means H plus HSO4 minus. Here nitric acid, oxygen donates lone pair of electrons to proton, gives rise to, this proton is attached to nitric acid, H here NO2, loss of one pair, it gets positive charge. This is called as protonated nitric acid, protonated nitric acid plus HSO4 minus. This protonated nitric acid is less stable according to resonance rules. Why? Because here more electronegative atom possesses positive charge, that is less stable. If more electronegative atom carries negative charge, more stable. So, therefore, this less stable protonated nitric acid loses water molecule H2O minus H2O and formation of NO2 plus electrophile. Okay. This is the electrophile formation, NO2 electrophile, positive electrophile. This is the reaction mechanism for the formation of electrophile in nitration. Okay. So, in every electrophilic substitution reaction, you have to write the formation of electrophile only. Why? Because already you know this sigma complex intermediate and removal of electrophile. So, therefore, in nitration, sulfonation, Fiedel-Crafts methylation, ethylation and halogenation, in all those reactions, a direct reaction and formation of electrophile. Okay, we are discussing about electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, this is nitration reaction. And one more reaction is halogenation or sulfonation reaction. Yes, one more electrophilic substitution reaction, that is sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation reaction. Yes, chlorobenzene on treatment with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. Here electrophile is SO3 electrophile. This is very important one because of SO3 is a neutral electrophile. SO3, it is a neutral electrophile. SO3 is a neutral electrophile. This electrophile attacks at at ortho position and para position because of chlorine is electron donating group. Electron donating group is present on the benzene system. What happen? Electrophile attacks at ortho position or para position. So therefore, here electrophile is attacks at ortho position, that is sulfonic acid, and electrophile is attacks at para position, SO3H. So ortho product and para product, always para product is the major, ortho product is minor product. This is minor product, it is major product. Para chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, ortho chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, in this electrophile is SO3 electrophile. Okay, H2SO4 plus H2SO4. Okay, 2 moles of H2SO4 combines together to form SO3 and HSO4 minus plus here H3O plus. This is the neutral electrophile. Okay, it is the neutral electrophile. What is the difference between nitration and sulfonation? In nitration, electrophile is NO2 plus electrophile. In sulfonation, electrophile is SO3. Both are electrophiles, but the difference is in nitration, electrophile is positive electrophile, but in sulfonation, electrophile is neutral, that is SO3. Okay, in sulfonation, neutral electrophile, in nitration, positive electrophile. And one more important one, in nitrating mixture, which of the following one is acts as base? Which of the following one is acts as base? Option HNO3, option 2 H2SO4, option 3 both, option 4 none of the above. Okay, in nitrating mixture means concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid. The mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4 is called as nitrating mixture. In this nitrating mixture, HNO3 acts as a base because of when compared to sulfuric acid, it is a weak. So therefore, HNO3 acts as a base in nitrating mixture, especially in nitration reaction, HNO3 acts as a base. Okay, this is sulfonation. Okay, once again, chlorobenzene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. Electrophilic substitution takes place at ortho position and para position. Therefore, we are getting orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and para chlorobenzene sulfuric acid.